umazwane nje abantu bahle kanje nobabili. Ladies, they always have conferences or high tea, ladies out, and all those things. Which is activities that are being done by abantu besifazane, because abantu besifazane it is for them to talk. Amadoda, it's not easy ukusebenza nabo. I'm making an example. Ungazibulali sine project esinayo initiative ethi ungazibulali indoda, because we wanted to say now it's enough. As amadoda, we are dying. Ake size thina amadoda and young boys sizokhuluma thina. But let me tell you this, still difficult. The only thing that will save our brothers ukuthi baphumele obala bakhulume, because they're dying. We are the ones that are dying, and if sizo expect for the next person ukuthi ayilekele impilo yethu, I'm telling you siyaphela njengamadoda. And iworry yami enginayo every day ukuthi these young people sibashiya kuphi uma thina sizo decide ukuzibulala. So each and every minute, each and every Saturday, when my funerals are called, amadoda. Unkini mentioned something, the percentage of men who are dying. We are dying. The economy, social ills, it affects us, amadoda. Sitsheliwe kwathiwa asingakhali, asingakhulumi. But you need to change that narrative as amadoda. It must start now. Let's learn to talk, let's learn to cry.
And I mean, speaking of changing that narrative, we need government involved. Otherwise, it's not going to be possible. So, and there are already policies in place that are meant to